Here we have a pristine 2015 Freightliner M2-106 loaded with a London Standard concrete mixer. Powered by a 345 horsepower Cummins, pushing 1,150 foot-pounds of torque into an Allison 3000 RDS transmission. And of course, it's a tandem axle with full lockup differentials. The London Mixer has an 8.5 yard capacity mounted with an Enviro chute and a 125-gallon water tank. And finally, inside, an air-conditioned cabin with an air ride driver and passenger seat, and fingertip-controlled wireless remote for the delivery system.